Join me as I take on the challenge of creating gourmet hot dogs like you've never seen them before. Let's see how crazy I can get with these toppings. Today we're elevating a classic, taking the humble hot dog to new heights and transforming it into a gourmet masterpiece. What exactly makes a hot dog gourmet? Is it the type of sausage used, the toppings, the cooking method, or something else entirely? In my opinion, it's a combination of all these elements that come together to create a truly exceptional hot dog experience. From unique toppings like smoked bacon, caramelized onions, with a variety of fresh peppers, sweet and hot, to cooking techniques like grilling and pan searing, the possibilities are literally endless. And let's not forget about flavor combinations. Think the food truck and street food from the series Chef Show inspired hot dogs with a spicy kicker. One thing's for sure, these gourmet hot dogs are anything but boring. Take for example this recipe that's sure to blow your mind. Now that the peppers and shallots are chopped and ready for action, we can start building the layers of flavors. Like all iconic and memorable street foods, we start with frying some smoked streaky bacon in extra virgin olive oil. In the same pan we add the shallots to the leftover liquid gold. Once the shallots have cooked down like this, we can add the sweet variety of peppers. After 2 to 3 minutes we can add the hot chili peppers and then cover with the lid. Keep this one side off the heat for now. We can now start with the hot dogs. I'm using the foot-long smoked kind for extra flavor and pan searing them on low heat with lid on. These only need a few minutes with an occasional turn. The bun cannot be undervalued and you're going to want a fresh, soft bun to bring it all together. You can now remove the hot dogs from the heat before they start to split open. In the same pan, add a decent amount of butter and once melted, place the open buns into the pan to toast them up. The buns should absorb all the liquid from the pan and will look like this. The time is here to start building your gourmet hot dog. The sausage and bacon are first in. Next is the combination of shallots and sweet peppers fried in that beautiful liquid gold. Now we add the fried chili peppers for that heat kicker. To finish it off, my opinion is you have to stick to the classics, mustard and ketchup, to bring your gourmet hot dog back to its humble origins. This is deliciously easy. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think.